Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a simple present tense quiz. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2, make sure you do. I link it down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. Adam dash his hair every morning. The correct option is brushes. Adam brushes his hair every morning. Question 2. Sarah dash English at school. The correct option is teaches. Sarah teaches English at school. Question 3. Liam dash his red box carefully. The correct option is packs. Liam packs his red box carefully. Question 4. Olivia dash tea every afternoon. The correct option is drinks. Olivia drinks tea every afternoon. Question 5. Sam often dash television at night. The correct option is watches. Sam often watches television at night. Question 6. Sophia always dash her children before going to bed. The correct option is kisses. Sophia always kisses her children before going to bed. Question 7. Alvin usually dash jeans to class. The correct option is wears. Alvin usually wears jeans to class. Question 8. Stephen seldom dash dishes. The correct option is washes. Stephen seldom washes dishes. Question 9. Lucas dash his dog twice each day. The correct option is walks. Lucas walks his dog twice each day. Question 10. Adam dash every morning. The correct option is stretches. Adam stretches every morning. Question 11. Sally dash her shoes tightly. The correct option is ties. Sally ties her shoes tightly. Question 12. Daniel always dash his room before leaving. The correct option is cleans. Daniel always cleans his room before leaving. Question 13. Maria dash every evening. The correct option is studies. Maria studies every evening. Question 14. Natalie dash a sandwich in the morning. The correct option is makes. Natalie makes a sandwich in the morning. Question 15. Sophia dash her hands before lunch. The correct option is washes. Sophia washes her hands before lunch. Question 16. Jack dash when he's tired. The correct option is cries. Jack cries when he's tired. Question 17. Alex dash to school every day. The correct option is goes. Alex goes to school every day. Question 18. He dash his homework before dinner. The correct option is does. He does his homework before dinner. Question 19. She dashed two cats at home. The correct option is has. She has two cats at home. Question 20. The bee dashed loudly near the flowers. The correct option is buzzes. The bee buzzes loudly near the flowers. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.